Hello friend, I'm Samadi back with new tutorial video regarding R.C.C lecture. So today lecture number 1 where I am starting the introduction of reinforcement cement concrete. So in introduction video, first we talk about little bit regarding plain cement concrete. Plain cement concrete. In short form, this is known as PCC. So what is our target or what we will learn from this lecture? Our aim is to learn what is plain cement concrete, where it used, what are the property, what are the material, if there are material then what is their proportion, what is their grade, and what is some disadvantage as well as advantage. So we are focusing on this thing. Okay, so if you learn deeply, then definitely watch the video till the end, brush up your knowledge, enrich your concept. So without further delay, let's get started. What do you mean by PCC? What do you mean by PCC? So basically this is the mixture of cement, water, sand and stone chip. Where sand is known as your what? Fine aggregate, where stone chip known as your coarse aggregate. Okay, so this is known as your PCC. What is its density? The density is 2400 kg per meter cube. 2400 kg per meter. Where is used generally below of the foundation. Suppose this is your foundation bed. You did swelling, brick flat swelling, or you may missed out. Then generally people are doing PCC. Now we'll talk about what are the property of these PCC. What are the property of this PCC? Generally, compressive strength 200 to 500 kg per centimeter square. You easily find out Newton because we know just multiply into G and you find the Newton or kilonewton. Tensile strength should be 50 to 100 kg per centimeter square. By comparing these two values, I can say high compressive value or high compressive strength, high compressive resistance, but low tensile force resistance. Density I already mentioned. And yes, if I say the durability, definitely it is durable. Definitely it is durable. Okay. Now we talk about what kind of material, what kind of material are used in this PCC. First, first we say coarse aggregate. Why coarse aggregate? Because if you are, if you read the BMC part or concrete technology, then there is mentioned strength are given by coarse aggregate. Strength are given by coarse aggregate. So size of coarse aggregate generally as per IS code 20 mm, but in some case they are using 10 mm, some people are using 40 mm. That is, some limitation is there, that is why. Then we use fine aggregate. They are, one more thing, they are providing strength. Then fine aggregate, their presence is to filling the void. Then we need binding material. So binding material is cement. Use as a binder. Use as binder. Okay. It may be your PPC, maybe PSC, maybe OPC. PPC means Portland Pozzolana cement. PSC Portland slag cement. OPC ordinary Portland cement. And last is water. Last is water. As per IS code, as per workability, using the water. As per IS code, IS 456 2000, or as per workability, using water. And definitely pH value not less than 6. pH value not less than 6. And if you want to know more about water, then follow or refer to IS 456 2000 clause number 5.4. So hope this is clear what kind of material we use in PCC. Now we'll talk about the grade or proportion. Generally we use the proportion is to 1 is to 3 is to 6. Sometime we use 1 is to 2 is to 4. 1 is to 2 is to 6, 1 is to 2 is to 4. This is known as your M20. This is known as M10. But what is your 1? What is your 3? What is your 6? This is cement is to sand is to stone chips. But what do you mean by M20? What do you mean by M10? Says anyone saying you M10, M20, but what is this M10? What do you mean by M10 or M20? Now, M means mix. I covered in the IS code video series. 20 means characteristic compressive strength after 28 days curing. So what is your M10? M for mix, and 10 means characteristic compressive strength after 28 days of curing. Now we talk about some advantages, and then we talk about some disadvantages. Okay, advantages is high compressive strength, easy to create, and some disadvantages is there. Low tensile strength and less quality control. Less quality control. So this is a little bit about the plain cement concrete. I hope that it's clear to you, but in case if you have any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you, and if you feel you have find some value from this video, then definitely like the video, share the video to your groups, because knowledge is the ultimate thing that can survive, that can help you to survive any kind of situation. So with this note, I'm ending this video here. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in next video regarding introduction of R.C.C. So with this said, thank you for watching this video.